It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. And if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, okay? So in this video, I was doing a demo in a class. So I started by doing the reverse French. And I believe for her nail bed color, I used a Young Nails color. And in this class, I was talking about how to do a reverse French. Of course, you want to do the nail bed part first. I do have other videos on this on my channel, so I'll make sure that I put those in the cards. But you want to get that nail bed on first, and then you want to file that edge nice and crisp. Then you want to go in with whatever color you want for the French part. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all of my latest videos. I do have a lot of footage that is kind of old that I'm like finally editing and getting out. So I'm going to put the comments on the screen from my last video. Thank you all so much for commenting. Let me know in the comments how you all are feeling about the shout outs. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all like, nah, we don't want to see no shout outs. Let me know how y'all feel about it. So there I was just measuring to make sure that that nail bed part was even. You don't want one to be really short and one to be really long or anything like that. You want it to be kind of consistent. Some people have asked me if I am taking clients. No, I am not taking clients, y'all. I do nails for YouTube, on myself, on my mannequin hands. I teach classes, things like that. I'm not taking clients. Hopefully, I will be in the future. Of course, I will let you all know and keep everybody posted about that. But not at this moment, y'all. Sorry. Of course, you want to try to keep the nail pointing downward while you're working. You want gravity to work with you. Holding that nail down, gravity is going to kind of pull that product down so that you don't have to do a whole lot of work. I do have some more of those glue gel and tip kits that I have to review. So in the comments, give me some suggestions of some things that y'all want to see. For example, I have like this one kit, right? When I put the nails on, I want to know what kind of design y'all want me to do on them. So both of the kits come with clear tips as always. I believe I got coffin. So let me know in the comments some looks that y'all want me to do on the nails. So now I'm going around and just sharpening that up. Now, there are several ways that you can do this. You can take that nail bed color and really build it up, and you can apply the French, and then you can be done, okay? What I am doing, I put down some nail bed color. I'm going to apply my French, and then I'm going to cap the whole nail, okay? So I like to cap it. But let's say you're putting a white there and you build everything up already. You don't necessarily have to cap it. You can file the nails to kind of, reveal a more crispier smile line and then cap it. It's so many different ways you can do the reverse French. But I think it's a lot easier than the traditional method. I didn't even realize that I had this silver color, so I cannot wait to use this on myself. Oh my God, I did not know I had this color. It came in a Tammy Taylor kit. I do have a lot of Tammy Taylor stuff that I need to show y'all, so I might do, I wouldn't call it a haul because it's stuff I kind of already had. I just hadn't been using it. I guess it was somewhere, put somewhere or something. But lately I have been reorganizing all of my nail stuff. I got these cases, which I bought 2 cases previously, and I was supposed to do a whole nail tour video showing you all the cases and all that, but one of the cases I didn't really like it, so I got another case, and this new case I love it. So I don't know if I want to get another case like the new case. I really been in like this kind of transition phase with all of my nail stuff. I bought a new nail desk for filming, and I organized it, had it all set up. I said I was going to film a video for y'all. Then I got the cases, and I've been putting all the stuff in the cases. So it's the process. When I get it all together, I will show y'all how it's looking, okay? So here I'm going in with my e-file, and I'm just filing the nails with a sanding band. So when your application is pretty smooth, you can go in with the sanding band. I do have other drill bits that I like to use, but sometimes I just go in with a sanding band, y'all, and just go over that nail and be done. That nail that I was tapping, I had just applied the clear on it, so it wasn't fully cured, so I had to wait on that. So because I was only doing one hand, that occurred. But typically if you're doing, all 10, by the time you get to the 10th one, it should be ready. Now I think I am going in and capping it. So what I did was I filed it just to get that smile line crispy. That was one of the options that I told you all about. And now I'm going in and capping it. Of course, this method can be a little time consuming, but I feel like for me, I kind of get the best results doing it this way. But of course, if you really clean that smile line up, you could just go in and cap it. You don't have to file over top of it before you cap it. So my birthday is coming up. I'm so excited. If you have not been watching my birthday month themed random nail challenges, definitely check those videos out. I do have another one coming up. They're coming out each Wednesday this month, so definitely check them out. The first one was interesting, and I cannot wait to see how the next one is going to go. So check it out. Leave me some comments. Leave me some suggestions. One thing that I decided after the first one was just to have like rhinestones and glitter on standby, because I tried to follow the wheel like with the colors and all that, but we just gonna add in, you know, them rhinestones and that glitter so we could just, you know, pull whatever we need, you know. So that's something that's going to be different for this next week. So I'm excited about that. Thank y'all for the suggestions. I was like, what can I do to these nails? Like, they was given, but they wasn't given what I wanted them to give, I guess. I feel like I was so excited. I was just, oh my God. Da, da, da. And then after the look, I was just like, I need more, you know? So thank y'all to everybody who loved the set. Thank y'all for everybody who gave suggestions on how to improve it. And the overall consensus was we needed some bling or some shine. So we're gonna fix that the next time. So after I have everything capped, we are going in with the hand file and we're going to get these nails together, okay? I'm going to get them all snatched up. I think I did go back in with the e-file as well. But I love teaching. I love doing demos for you all and for schools and things like that. I find that so fun. I love to see that kind of light bulb reaction when people understand things. So to see somebody do a set of nails and then after your class they have improved, it's like, I did that, you know? So that's exciting. Of course, we got to buff them. The top coat that I used, it belonged to the school, I believe. It may have been C and D or something. It was my first time using it. It felt really watery. There it is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it was really like watery, and I prefer like a thicker consistency. So I typically use the Beetles top coat or the Born Pretty top coat. And I like to look and check the nail. If I see any imperfections, I go back in with the hand file, go back in with the drill, go back in with the buffer, whatever I need to do to make sure that the nails are looking right. And this beauty, she's a nail biter. So with nail biters, I feel like it can be a little challenging at times. So after this, I'm going to apply that top coat and throw her in the lamp. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that your comment can be featured on the channel, okay? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.